Hey guys, Freddy again, back with another video. This time we're gonna be installing the red start button from a GT350. Got the pick all taped up, and we're gonna be right there. Alright, so you get all this instruction booklet to install it. We're gonna go with the CJ pointy part one, where you just take this little pick, wrap it in some tape, try to stick it in here. We gotta get to the back. Come on.
Two hours later.
Alright guys, we're getting there. Don't know where the button went. So here's the 350 button, the regular button in the back. The 350 one's almost like a, you can see the writing in the back. Alright, so it should be just lining it up. There we go. Alright guys, so we did it. Wasn't too difficult. Still have the extra clips. Not really sure where they go. Don't really need them. So remember to like this video if you enjoy the content. Subscribe if you want more. And if you have any questions about this, comment down below. Thank you.